with a nice sign to greet you. Welcome, rail fans, to the Railroad Overlook, Cassandra, PA. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm just passing through Cassandra area and I decided to stop at the Cassandra Overlook. I just missed one, as you just seen. I'll see if I hang out for one more, but this wasn't a destination, but since I was so close to it, I decided to stop. All right, let's see if I can catch one and we'll continue on our little trip east. So as I just mentioned, I'm in Cassandra, Pennsylvania, just passing through, and decided I'm this close, I might as well stop and take a look at the famous Cassandra Railroad Overlook Park. So that way is to Pittsburgh, and this way is to Altoona. So this is the Norfolk Southern line, and they've got a cool picnic table here with the NS logo on it. Pack your lunch and watch some trains. So this bridge is at milepost 255.8, and as you're looking west to Pittsburgh, you can see all the rockfall detector screens there. For rock falls, it'll trip an electronic alert for the engineers. And this is looking upgrade east towards Altoona, where you guys know the world famous Horseshoe Curve is located. This is a quick view from the parking lot. So you'd park here and enter there and have a great day of watching trains. And what's cool is you can spend an entire day along Route 53, and here's all your Railfan locations. Might have to do that one of these days. This looks like a side trip. And there's the lovely wife waiting on trains with me. So I mentioned to Boxcar Jerry where I was, and he told me come down to Cresson. They have a beautiful PRR caboose. And since I wasn't hanging out the Railfan, I was hoping the train would come through real quick, but the trains aren't really running that great today, so I'm not hanging out because I am on the grand adventure. So I decided to pop up here and get this beautiful caboose. So thank you very much, Jerry. This is a good call. Since the trains weren't really running that great, I'll stick here maybe a half hour, see if I catch one. So as you can see, it's a beautiful Railfan park. Got seating, got a platform, got a shaded gazebo. There's another pavilion right next to the caboose. My lovely wife sitting there waiting on the train. All signals are red though, this direction. That direction is once again Altoona. And that direction is west to Pittsburgh. So the Cresson Railroad Observation Platform, gazebo, caboose, and a pavilion. Very nice. Let's take a quick peek inside the caboose. Oh, it's very well furnished. Very nice. Something on the table there. Not bad for looking through the glass. Let's go check out the other side. Oh, there's lots of stuff on this side. Very nice. Let me look through the porthole right here. Yeah, they got all kinds of goodies on display in there. That was a short one. Cool. Well, there you go. A gentleman said that only 2 trains would run all day, so I didn't plan on hanging out. And I told Boxcar Jerry where I was at, and he told me come up here to Cresson and see that beautiful caboose. I'm glad he did. You see that train we just caught? So if you're ever cruising along 52 or Route 22, maybe you're on your way to Altoona, see the Horseshoe Curve, be sure to stop by and see these 2 beautiful Railfan parks and catch some trains. All right, till next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Happy out.